my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, this month is extra special. This month is Madam Glam's 9th birthday, or you can also say anniversary, for when they started the company. So this video goes out to you, Madam Glam. Happy 9th birthday! You guys have been making so much magic since the conception of your company. And in such a short period of time, you guys have made waves. I would think you guys have been around for double that time. Not only do you deliver quality, but you deliver that quality with as least impact on our beautiful planet as possible. Always trying new recycling initiatives, making sure that you're sourcing the best materials for our planet. You just go all out. So I am so excited to celebrate your birthday. If you guys were a part of the channel last year, then you would have seen the Charm Sisters and I did a very special birthday collaboration for Madam Glam, which was sponsored. They were so sweet. They sent colors from past collections because that was the idea that we had pitched to them. But I am so excited because this year the Charm Sisters have something really special cooking up, and you guys have to keep your notification bells on so you can hear all the details about what we're doing for Madam Glam's birthday. But without further ado, Madam Glam allowed me to select 4 stunning colors from their new House of Fun collection, inspired by their anniversary, their birthday. And I also asked my beautiful representative Karina if I could try the blooming gel. So she sent that as well. So this care package is everything. If you guys saw last year, the Apple of My Eye collection, which was their anniversary collection, was these neon gorgeous colors, and they don't play. Whew. The colors are stunning and I can't wait to swatch them. So the first one I selected is called Glam Element. Now this is such a beautiful like bubblegum neon. I think of Candy Pop. It is so luxurious and beautiful, and I could not resist. Next up is Eden Garden, which the Garden of Eden, you know that it's in the beginning. And I really think the way, like the name selections they've done for this collection really shows that they gave so much thought to the beginning and how far they are now. And this green, oh, mint, mint, mint for you. It is so beautiful. Next up is Lucky Number 9. And I think it's so sweet because that's the year we're in. 9 years of Madam Glam. And I just actually came up on my 1 year with working with Madam Glam. And I just feel so honored, like even from celebrating their 8th birthday to now, their 9th birthday, so much has changed. They've brought so much revolutionary new products, and I am just so excited to be a part of the team. Next up is Celestial Jungle, and even if you see what Madam Glam has been doing this year with the House of, it has been straight out of the tarot deck, the celestial, gorgeous, like talking about interplanetary connections and just all of the magic. So I think this was a perfect name for this neon. It's like a neon yellow green. And y'all, this blooming gel, I have been so excited to try. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to the next video where I do a dedicated video playing around with different techniques and designs with the blooming gel. Now I'm quickly gonna go through the gorgeous swatches, and as I do that, I just wanna read a little bit about this collection for you. So House of Fun collection, which is their July 2023 collection, it says, harness the energy of the cosmos and paint your nails with stardust and dreams. How magical is that already? So the colors, the 8 beautiful soak-off gels, are Celestial Jungle, Electra, Fire Sign, Glam Element, Eden Garden, Daystar, Lucky Number 9, and always and forever. Because Madam Glam, you will have my heart always and forever. So the write-up says, it's time to tap into the mystic forces that surround us and let your nails become vessels of enchantment. Allow them to tell your unique story. As we celebrate our anniversary, we invite you to embark on a captivating journey through the realms of infinite glam and manicures. Adorn your nails with House of Fun, an electrifying collection that merges the world of glam, power, and astrology. The brilliant, breathtaking shades represent a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining nail art. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula, this anniversary collection is more than just a celebration of our journey. It's an invitation to embrace your own infinite potential. Crafted from ethically sourced ingredients, each shade is infused with cosmic energy and mystical allure to nourish your nails while delivering rich, bold pigments and infinite shine. From celestial blues to enchanting pinks and fiery hues, the collection embodies the spirit of joy and self-expression. Y'all, this is exactly what I was saying. The cosmos, astrology, like Madam Glam thought of it all with this birthday collection. So, have you guys ever seen the candy bacon? I call it gay bacon. I'm going to show it in the corner right here. So, it just looks, it's like so sugary and delicious. And I thought with these vibrant, like my best description of these, they're like neon colors, but it's almost like neon pastel. It's all of the magic. It has such great coverage. As you see, even with nail art, I am only using one coat for this design, and I was so impressed with the coverage and the pigmentation on this. So I'm just using my Nicole J brush, and we are dipping into all the colors that I selected to make this beautiful nailed it design. Now, if you guys have been a fan of Madam Glam for a long time, they have had so many amazing collections and launches. Last year, it was all about the destination, and we traveled all over the world and got inspired by different countries and the color palettes that Madam Glam selected. Now we're into the House of. So we have had so much magic with the House of Light, the House of Love, the House of Glam. Oh, there's just so many stunning colors. Recently, the House of Color, which was for Pride Month. And if you pair the House of Color with this, the House of Fun, you will be tickled all of the rainbow. I am a very colorful personality, and I just thought they went all out with this collection. I actually had to go back in with my VIP, and I grabbed Fire Sign and Electra. Actually, Mama Does Nails and Priya K's Nails, they were watching Madam Glam's Instagram live that they do on the first of every month. And just due to the time difference, I'm still getting used to everything moving to British Columbia, so I actually accidentally missed it. And they told me that the Electra was actually this bright Barbie pink, so I had to get that with the quickness. But right now, I covered the entire nail in a thin but luxurious coat of the No Wipe top coat. The benefit of sugaring on a no wipe top coat is you do not have to worry about any sticky residue. And you get this almost mattifying look with the very fine glitter. So I was just really, really excited to do this technique. Now I am ridiculously impressed with, I can't get over this glitter from Michaels. I used the little sprinkle section, and it really just gave me what I needed. It didn't pour. I barely even had to shake off the nail. Like, it was so evenly coated. And this just screamed the candy bacon for me, y'all. I still call it gay bacon, but it looked so stinking precious. And even here, I'm like, yeah, nothing's coming off. That fine glitter just hugged the nail perfectly. And I think this is just such a fun way, especially for a summer design, to add some pops of color, Madam Glam style. Also, in the write-up, when they talk about, I'm going to quickly find the exact sentence here. It says, this anniversary collection is more than just a celebration of our journey. It's an invitation to embrace your own infinite potential. And this just hit me in the feels so hard, because there's things that I'm doing in my nail journey this year that I never thought that I could possibly do. And when we limit ourselves and put ourselves in boxes, you literally stifle your potential. And I just really love that Madam Glam goes all out to inspire us with these gorgeous hues, these beautiful polishes that just make it effortless to share your creativity with others. I feel so empowered and honored to be a part of Madam Glam's influencer team. And for their 9th birthday, I just hope to make them proud. I can't thank you enough, Madam Glam. Karina, thank you for sending out these stunning colors. I am madly in love, and I just cannot wait to create so much magic for your anniversary. I hope that you guys have loved this introduction to the House of Fun. Make sure you put those notification bells on and like this video if it's in your heart to do. The reason why I mentioned the notification bells is we are going to be swatching some more colors from this collection in the future, and also doing a very special birthday project. So please stay tuned for all of that magic. And all the information of these products will be in the description box below, along with sister codes. Thank you so very much for watching from the bottom of my mermaid heart. You guys are my family and you mean the world. It would also mean everything if you guys could leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the design and this gorgeous new collection. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. And remember, do all things with love. Mwah. See you in the next one.